off. This one. Moment of truth. Okay. All right, let's bring it over here. Okay. All right, what we looking for here is some, definitely. See, are we looking at that right there? That's what we looking at. I talked to some other mechanics and asked them about it. They said as long as you don't see any big chunks in it, this is kind of a normal as far as the year, make, and model of the car, wear and tear. They said it doesn't look too bad a lot, but not too bad. So this is why I'm pushing on here. It's just, you know, it's gonna flake out a little bit because it's a magnet. But this is pretty much just shavings, little baby shavings that's normal on the vehicle.
A lot of shavings. Wow.
So far around the pan, I didn't see any big chunks or anything like that. I don't see anything internal. So that explains itself right there. Now let's look at the internal. Look at everything else. I also sent this video to one of my mechanic friends that does transmission.
A couple more internals.
And I took off this filter to show him the insides so he can look at it. He says looks okay.
You know, we looking
not
at
too bad.
I'm trying to make sure.
Big concern of the gears and everything in there. Any big chunks coming out, but I didn't see any.
We're looking at that bad boy right there. You can see that. See, right between that little slot right there. Wow.
From my point of view, it doesn't look really too bad. The magnet is doing what it's supposed to do, and the filter is doing what it's supposed to do. So that's the thing that you want to look for.